Hello and welcome to Press F1 for Help, the WordPress basic training web series. My name is Amit and I have 7 years of experience to developing the WordPress sites. This series includes how to create your own WordPress website and publish it on internet. I divided this series into common parts of WordPress, and we will start with initially WordPress on the internet on your own web hosting. In this training program, we will learn about the admin interface, creating posts and pages, adding videos and images to the pages and posts, how to customize your WordPress site using themes, and how you can extend the functionality of your website using WordPress plugins. And also we are including an all setting like user management, advanced settings, security plugins, search engine plugins to extend your reach of your website. After watching this web series, you can manage to create your own WordPress site and learn how to do a common task with WordPress, and you will be ready to take our next advanced course. Okay, let's start with the WordPress for beginner training web series. For the website, the next on web.